because when it comes down to it, this is just drawing, and drawing can be done anywhere, anytime, on almost any material. Although this is the thing with art, in the end we end up being knowledgeable in so many different areas because we're constantly doing research or look at the technical side of things to make sure that we're doing things properly. Our research and understanding how the world works comes into our job as artists, and especially comes into the jobs of those who go on and want to do design, especially things such as concept design or concept art for movies, games and the like. So one thing that I've found is that people always tend to draw a similar sort of mouth, as if the whole world has the same shaped mouth, and we just don't. Okay, our mouths come in a large variety of shapes and sizes, and being able to include those in our work is one of the great things about being artists, the amount of variation that we can work with, because humans are so varied. Okay, like I said, we've got a lot of variation and it's just not used enough in my opinion. And I'm just squinting here because some of the variations aren't that obvious. And what I said, squinting increases the contrast that you see because it reduces the light coming to your eyes. So your brain automatically increases contrast. And that's the main thing I think with art. You want to try and keep it as fun as possible. Sometimes work is work and it can get a bit stressful creating artwork, and you've got to get it done even though you don't feel like it, but as long as overall you can see that yourself getting close to your goals and you're happy with some of the process and happy with some of the results. You don't even have to be happy with all the results, but as long as there's some joy there, then you're in a good place. That's the way art's supposed to be. To be honest, that's the way most of life's supposed to be. Some hardships, but a whole lot of fun.